20 power x into 1 plus 1 plus 1 by 10 power x into 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 100. Twenty power x into 3 by 10 power x into 3 is equal to 100. 3 cancel. 20 power x by 10 power x is equal to 100. 20 by 10 whole power x is equal to 100. 10 ones are 10 twos are. 2 power x is equal to 100. Log 2 power x is equal to log 100. X log 2 is equal to log 10 square. X log 2 is equal to 2 log 10. X log 2 is equal to 2 log 10. Both sides divide log 2. Log 2 cancel. X is equal to 2 into log 2 into 5 by log 2. X is equal to 2 into log 2 plus log 5 by log 2. X is equal to 2 log 2 by log 2 plus log 5 by 2 log 5 by log 2. Log 2 cancel. X is equal to 2 plus 2 log 2 of 5.